I get it. Come on. Hopefully the rope doesn't come into something.
Now Courtney's just riding her with a Be Nice halter and lead. That's it. Courtney's put a lot of work into her. But maybe we'll see that baby move when she runs now that she's on this side.
No. This is one tough horse that makes sculpture.
Cherry's very pretty. She's like a really deep red color, being a sorrel. And then the baby's daddy is a chestnut, a liver chestnut probably, because he's quite red too. She's wanting to tuck her neck. It looks like she was trying to book you.
She was.
No, she wasn't actually booking you, but she looked like she was going to try.
Look at Meg. Let's see if I can get her to run fast. I like her. I don't always hungry.
Overalls are very hard to ride on a horse bareback because they're hard to move in, especially getting up on them.
I guess she'll run to the fence if anything.
And you got Meg over there running around like she's on a racetrack.
See how I can jump off of her? I should have failed.
Got Meg over there running like crazy. She gonna stop now? She's just gonna keep going. Meg is a firecracker. Firecracker. That's an understatement about her. She's got a lot of energy.
Come on, Cherry. Come on, my girl.
Achilles is like, you're crazy, girl.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Maybe she's done. Yeah. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Courtney and her pregnant quarter horse Belgian cross. That's why she's got that big old butt. And she's bred to a quarter horse stallion. And then our two Mustang, one filly and one mare. And then my husband's Mustang, Gelding, Herc. My husband's Mustang filly right there, Meg, and my mare, Diamond. And then the rest of our critters. 2 donkeys, 1 rescue mini, a wild burro, 6 dairy goats, babies expected pretty soon, and a large flock of chickens, ducks, and turkeys. So thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers. We greatly appreciate you. Every time you comment, like, and subscribe, it helps us out. Sharing our videos will help out too. And just thank you all. Hi, Milo. Look who decided to show back up. Milo. Crazy horses. So thank you everybody again. We'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless.